Hello everyone. We are really happy to share this review. Actually, we were looking forward to this particular event. As you guys know that it is definitely a great task to search home, and the subsequent task of interiors is really a big task for any family, right?
True.
We have done a lot of research outside the market, right? So we've been to different other big vendors outside, right? And but finally, we did a lot of research, and through a reference, we met Aarav International Interiors. So, and we got a chance to meet Mr. Vishwakarma, who is the owner of A&I Interiors. Right, and that is where our journey has started. Though it is kind of, in our first meet, we have explained our requirements, and he was also suggesting she had some thoughts around the interiors and the kitchen specifically, which is her area. She wanted to have lighter colors, brighter colors. She has already, you did a lot of stuff in YouTube. So she follows one particular YouTube, and she came with...
But even I received a good suggestions from him, and where he guided me like which is good and which is not good, and which color would goes well with the kitchen, and he also explained me about the maintenance. It's not only that once we finish up the work, but maintenance is also a part of maintaining the interior works which has been done properly. So that should be that is a great task actually to maintain the kitchen. So he had suggested me in that. He helped me a lot in that.
And finally, though everybody has suggested us to go for brighter colors, but Viru said, "Sir, you can go with lighter colors as well." But he has suggested a right laminate, the PVC laminate, which is actually easy to maintain as well.
Yeah.
And we are already
It's
living
very
in this
easy in
area.
cleaning.
Easy in cleaning, and at the same time, it's very attractive. And the masterpiece in this home, I think you might see in the video as well. Kitchen has come up very well. Everybody has started appreciating. And there is I wanted to have small personal space in home. So I spoke to Viru, and he suggested, okay sir, you can have a small bar counter there, and he has suggested a very small, cute little bar counter as well. That has come up very well. And each and everything, we spoke to him and we made a lot of changes. He was very patient in listening to us. And I have to mention this,